plus Immobiliser on a 2023 brand new Discovery Sport. So if a thief was to copy the key, do a relay attack, go to drive the vehicle away, they're going to start it up. When they select a gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out and the horn go mad. So there we go, everyone around's going to know that someone's in your vehicle trying to steal it. They're going to hear it. And also, if you're parked around the corner, out of range, you can't hear it from where you are, you're going to get a phone call. So we'll just answer and end that. The way you can drive this, you can either have your Bluetooth phone on in the vehicle, start the vehicle up, hear a double bleep and drive off. So we select our gear, the vehicle doesn't stall out, horn doesn't go mad. Or if there's an instance where your phone's gone flat when you've gone out for dinner, say, you need to drive it home, obviously turning your phone on isn't an option, you have a push sequence. So to use that, start the car, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, we have for now. Receive your double bleep, select a gear. This is the Halo Plus. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.